seconds, I think, yeah.
This is what you'll hear when one person's about to do it all on their own. Then all of a sudden, when you hear... then you're going to go mad, okay? Okay, so we now sorted it all out. Now you've got to be normal, guys, okay? And the pumping, I haven't... So let me see what you're going to do, pumping. How's the wiggles going? Are you going to come on? We don't look much of a wiggle. If you're going to be on the land, you've got to wiggle and go mad. Kevin, you've got to show them how it's done. Okay, have we got the thumbs up from the guys yet? Where's Dave Harwood? Hold on, folks, you calm down a sec. Where's... Oh, you're not next to it all yet. I know you're all mad.